Alright, let's go. What's up, my slifers? Today we're playing a game called Createverse. So basically, you know, your noob soft boy was looking through freaking Steam and he found this knockoff version of Minecraft. You know, I'm not the one to judge games, but let's see if we can judge this game. Cause, you know, your boy wants to become like a professional roaster here. I'm gonna roast this game and it's gonna need sunscreen when I'm done with it. Alright, let's start it. Display name, you know, Slifer236 like always. Cause noobs do that like me. So let's go. Email, I'm just putting my email out there cause I don't freaking care. So, if you wanna hook me up in Gmail, you know, this is my email address, so you can hack me or something. All right. If you, whoa, our character, that looks nothing like me. So our hair, you know, we gotta get the noob hair. Go. Oh, what is this? I said head shake. Okay, let's just hit that hair. Alright. Oh my gosh. The army soldier. Alright, I want the coolest hair out there, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be like cool when I'm out there, you know, I'm gonna be the biggest noob on Minecraft. Let's just hear that one because I don't really care about anything. My skin color, oh gosh, I'm a Mexican, so I gotta pick blue. Yup. Here we go. And our hair's gotta be black. Cause it's cool, man. And my eyes gotta be red because I'm cool. Oh, what? I should put that. Done. I'm done. I'm Sasuke, bro. I'm Sasuke. Let's go. Save and count info? Wow, I didn't realize you can do that here. Like all newbie games. So, your boy, here, the point of this series is to roast the heck out of this game, like roast the heck. So I'm not the one to roast people, but I've been known for my roasting skills. You just say the kids at my school get a little bit of sunscreen when I'm done with them. Alright, so, oh my gosh. So we're playing here, your boy, oh my god, these controls are so bad. Oh boy, look at the graphics on this game. It looks like freaking Minecraft. Oh wait, this is Minecraft. So this looks like a freaking 1985 game. So let's see what happens in the future. Oh, what is this? What is this? I can move blocks with my hand. What? Alright, your boy like Minecraft noobs gets a lot of trees, so I'm gonna just cut down some stuff. Start being reckless like I always am. Oh gosh. Like for real, these graphics are horrible. I swear. Minecraft has better graphics than this. I'm pretty sure the NES has better graphics than this, but let's just go. Look. And I can't even explain about how laggy this thing is. This is the most laggiest game I've ever played in my whole life. Next to freaking Super Nintendo's Donkey Kong stuff. Alright, let's go. So, you know, like the noob selves we already got some trees, you know. Like, yup. So, I'm pretty sure we're just gonna make a house out of freaking bark wood, because that's how noobs play, right? Alright, so we're just gonna cut down some more trees. We're gonna make our awesome house. Man, like I said, this is like Minecraft. But I don't know how to make stuff, or I've never even played this game before. I'm guessing it's like another cheap Well, this game was free, so if you guys want to buy this crappy game, you can go buy it. I'm probably gonna play with my friends with this. Oh, and by the way, my only subscribers, Squiddy837 and Jacob Jumpscared, hit them up, my boys over there. We're probably gonna make like some combined series of this, but who cares? You know, I'm just like a little noob on Minecraft, so I don't know anything. So I'm thinking I should make my. Wait, what are those? What are those? What is this? Pigs just spawn in, like from freaking magic, bro. Oh, what? Why is it running away? Oh my gosh. These pigs can teleport. This is Minecraft 2.0 now. Oh my. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this pig is doing, but this guy is freaking magic, bro. Oh, I guess I should probably make my house now, but I don't know how to build stuff. So I'm thinking I should just, I really don't know what to do. I can crouch. What? Does this metal feel solid or what? What is this? So apparently I can now move stuff around. This is probably like some futuristic Minecraft, you know? Like, look at this water. Doesn't even look like it's running around. Sorry if the freaking audio is bad, you know. Your boy has a newbie channel. Oh, I've discovered a new area. Wow. This should really be like Minecraft, but I bet they just like made up a title and they put gadgets into this thing. But I still don't know how to make stuff. Alright, so let me just figure out some of this. C for key, crouch. That's how I crouch. What's this? Oh, there we go. Craft. Your boy wants some wood. Your boy wants some wood. I just said that. Oh, I got armor now? Yes, I want to put that armor on. Build. Oh, here we go. Craft. So your boy's gonna make like a bunch of these and like call it Minecraft. What is this? So I can already make like, how do I make a house? How legit do I make it? I'm just making a house out of wood. That's legit what I'm gonna do. But where is this thing? Alright, there we go. I think it's M. Yeah, it's M. It's definitely M. Right. So your boy already found his way. Oh gosh, I'm not gonna die in the first series, am I? So your boy's gonna find a great spot where there's like everything there. Because your boy is awesome. But he's also the noobiest kid on Minecraft. Whoa, that thing is loud. Should probably, what is this? I'm trying to, where's the settings? Alright, sorry if you can't hear my voice. This stupid song is stuck in my head now. So, I'm gonna just leave. This is, I'm gonna just leave, yeah. I'm probably gonna make a dirt house after today. Alright, I think this is the way spawn. But I don't know how to move my things. That's another way. R, what's R do? What? Touchstone to teleport. What? You can teleport in this game? Oh, what? Okay, trying to figure out how to. What is this? Oh. So I should take a picture, like a million of them? That's it. Oh, game settings. Let's go. Well, first of all, the audio. Music volume. Way too loud. Way too loud. Way too loud. Alright, now, your boy's going back. You know, what did I just do? Oh, there you go. So, still don't know how to play. Oh. Still don't know how to play. Should probably looked at the controls before I did all that, but nope. Oh, here you go. Game settings. Settings. No, controls. Rather get controls. So, your boy, what is this? What? Tab? You press tab to do that? Who presses tab to do stuff now these days? Nobody. I don't even want to go back. Let's go. Alright, so use sticks now? Alright. I got a stick. Might as well call this Dora Exploradora thing. Alright, let's hit this pig. Animal abuse. Oh, they can attack? What? They can attack? I have a stick. You can't attack me. Okay, wait, I don't even. So I get that bag. That's all I get. A bag. So I get a bat. Oh my gosh. Alright, I still need to learn the freaking settings because they're so bad. Let's go to I said settings. Go back. Settings. Can you read? Are you legally blind, createverse? Because I'm going to expose you when I'm done with you. Alright, so, what does alpha mean? What does this mean? Okay, so these controls are completely bizarre. Quick Salt Alpha 1, what does this mean? Do I just press 1? Literally, do I just press 1? Oh, you do press 1. Oh, oh. Alright, I got my sticks now. Oh, 5. Alright. How do I, how does your boy, whoa! I think, what is that? Is that fire? What? Oh, I thought somebody died. Alright, let's just make a little, oh, that was a mistake. But you know your boy learns from his mistakes, alright? So, I'm gonna try to set blocks here. Oh no, that was another mistake. But your boy's got this. Bam. See that? We already made a T. Alright. We're just gonna place blocks firmly here. Oh gosh. Tell me if my house looks good, because it's going to be fabulous when I'm done with it. It's going to be the best, fabulous house I've ever made in my life. I think this video is really going to be improving from the last video when I talked about how I almost fell and broke my neck. You know what I mean? Your boy is cringy like that, alright? I'm sorry. If you don't like my stuff, just say it in the comments, alright? I can take some hate from peoples. Like Jacob Jumpscare tried to roast me today. We couldn't, because he can't. I'm pretty sure. The only thing he does at school is stab people, you know? Because your boy's good. That. Now I just gotta make the floor. Oh. Tab. I remember. Your boy remembers. I'm just gonna take all these you know, your boy likes to suck blocks up from dirt, alright? That's what he does. This is a strange addiction episode, alright? You're gonna see a strange addiction on here. Your boy likes to suck blocks, you know? That's just what he does. That's just my life. So don't hate. Don't hate, people. Don't hate. Even though I watch Rice Come every day, I still don't like it when people hate. Psych, I roast people every day. I'm a freaking noob. I play Minecraft every day. That's me. I'm not saying everybody that plays Minecraft is noob, but I'm specifically the best noob ever. You know what I mean? When I rage real bad. Like, real bad. Like, one time I was playing, you know, this game called, createverse, and then this pig started attacking me. Hint, hint. That happened today, so, yeah. Oh, gosh. Now I just gotta set my blocks up. I'm trying to get to this one block right here. Alright, now we just gotta boop, boop, boop. You know, bada bing boop. Oh! If you don't know what's that reference to, it's a reference from a rap battle that I watched. You know what I mean? What is this pig doing in my house? I never invited you, pig. Get out. I'm gonna call police on that pig one day. And he's gonna get arrested for assault. Because he hit me once. He hit me so bad. And I hated it when he hit me. I don't even know how pigs can attack you in createverse and Minecraft. I mean, I know this game is like a knockoff of Minecraft, but you really shouldn't do what is not in Minecraft, because Minecraft's already that good. Like, already. So your boy Steam account is Slifer237 if you guys want to friend me on it. Oh wait, I forgot. I gotta get that $5 thing first. I'll get it though, like this week. But your boy is awesome, so yeah, he's gonna get it really quick. Alright, now I'm just gonna make this square. Bada, ba, bada bing, bob. There you go. Now we just gotta make our, you know, layers. Oh gosh. I still don't even know how I have so much blocks left. It says I have 5. Oh, it says I have 29. My bad. I thought I had 5 because of the thing on there. Ah, what? Oh man. Still, these controls are so bad that when people try. Oh wait, I'm gonna make a joke. Let me make a joke. Alright, see? Pig, Ice Age call, they want their pig back. Boom, son, he just got roasted. Right, that pig just got roasted, bro. He's gonna be the next Thanksgiving dinner. Are you eating my blocks? He's eating my blocks. Get out of my life. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. No, get out. You're not gonna kill me that way, prig. Oh. What? The lag. The lag. You better waltz away, pig. He's a pig. He tried to eat my blocks when I didn't want my blocks to be eaten by. You know, he's a disgusting pig. Probably a disgusting roommate too, because he's a pig, you know. He's a real pig. I have people that are real pigs, you know. I mean, one time, you know, Thanksgiving dinner, I met this pig that only had an apple in his mouth and just sassed at me real bad too. I didn't know if he was alive or what, but he still sassed at me and had an apple in his mouth without giving me some. And I was really disappointed of that pig. But it's alright, because your boy gets new stuff a lot. Oh gosh. Ba-bam. Boom-boom. Bada-bing. There you go. Your boy made a house now. Is this... I think we need one more layer. One more layer and we're good. But your boy's running out of stuff, so you better do this quick. Oh, already gotta go to 6 now. Alright, let's go. Bam. Boom. Bada bing boom. Let's go. Your boy's running out. Alright, let me craft some stuff real quick. So, pretty sure we need a door, but we're gonna do that when we have everything complete. I still need some blocks though. I need blocks. How do you build? I wanna build stuff. What's this? Oh, blocks, here you go. I don't have enough? What? Oh man. I have storage. Oh yeah, of course you need storage in this game. Tinker. Well, I do need a door. Let's see. Can we get a sword? We need wood for that. Alright, let's just go back and install our store. Our door. So just press on it. Yep, there you go. Where's our door? Your boy needs a door. I thought I got one. I thought I had one here. Door. Oh, what? You need beeswax for that? Never mind, your boy's not getting a door today. Go back. I guess I just replaced the blocks now. Bam. Bam. Your boy's done. Except for the rest of the house, because your boy's a noob. Right. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. Alright, where's the tree? We gotta find a tree. I thought this was a tree. What is this, a bush? There you go. Minecraft for noob. No, Minecraft not for noobs. But you know, when you need gadgets, you gotta get some gadgets. So yeah. Let's just suck up these blocks like a mosquito. Alright, I don't know if mosquitoes do that or not, but I'm a noob, so I like doing that. I still need more wood though. Oh gosh. Still need more wood here, so I'm gonna just walk over to some trees that I like. I don't care if any bugs try to get me, cause I'm cool that way. If you know how laggy this is, like the video, and then you'll really know how laggy this is. Oh, look at this big, huge tree. I'm gonna just suck up all this life of it. I'm gonna try to hurry up because I don't want to be at night here. Your boy doesn't like being at night. Especially in Minecraft because it's real scary. I don't think this game is gonna be that scary for Minecraft because Minecraft's pretty scary sometimes. I mean, look at the Endermans, boy. I bet there's Endermans in this game. It's probably gonna be like dancing all around or something. It's gonna be like me spooky skeleton or something like that. But your boy's gonna get all the blocks that he can. Think that's. Oh wait. Oh, we got some more. Oh, your boys found some. Oh. Better not be some scary music. I don't like scary music. Your boys leaving. Come on, let's go. I don't want to be near animals. You can't be kidding me, bro. What am I? Oh, is that my house? Is it beaconized? I'm gonna go to my house. Pretty sure this is my house. If it wasn't my house, then why would there be a beacon, right? And I just gotta go in my house. What is this? Oh, there's danger near. I don't care about danger. Your boy's a savage, so he can pass through anything. Oh. Is this a this savageness or this stupidness? Because I'm just going through a beacon and I don't even know what it is. What is this? What? Oh, I think that's my house. What is this? Real. Is that an Enderman? So, what is this? I'm just press F. Take all. Alright, I don't know what that was, but I got leather. I'm gonna just go defeat some stuff. Your boy got dirt everywhere. Still don't know where my house is though. I'll probably try to find it, but I don't want to. So, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you want to see more of the series, like the video, comment if you want to see more of this, and subscribe. Make sure, bye Sliths. Your boys have it.